How's your day going? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this reaction. My name is Edikun the Rock DJ. I'm a Kenyan rock DJ, professional rock DJ in Kenya for about 10 years. I've played in clubs, concerts, TV, and radio. Now to check out Ukraine Eurovision 2025, Ziferblat, Bird of Prey. I believe this performance is live, right? If you're watching from Ukraine, thank you so much for being here. I did a reaction for last year's Ukraine song, and it got a lot of traction on this channel. So yes, if you're watching from Ukraine, thanks so much for being here. For more reactions to Eurovision, you want to join me? Make sure to smash like and subscribe. Let's check out this live performance.
Не хочу нікуди їхати.
Ну і не їдь.
I thought I had clicked and then an ad appeared, but I was like, where's the skip button?
Рухай свій світ, якщо хочеш.
Додай гучності своєму мейку з Maybelline New York.
Okay.
Зайдеш до мене, моя пташка, крилами пісня злітає важка.
Am I the one who finds it weird that there's like this grass? There's going to be pausing because this is a reaction video. This grass on the stage looks so odd.
Крилами пісня злітає важка. Серденько, серце кохане, не турбуйся. Доля довірила всіх останніми знов. Я світла шукаю, гори зверну. And I call you fly, but
Very odd staging. I don't know. Typically, I'm not the one to care about staging, but this staging is weird.
світла шукаю, гори зверну. And I call you fly, but I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me and my little bird of
Vocally, they sound very good. Vocally, I think they sound very good. The staging is weird, in my opinion. I don't know, man. I find the staging weird.
One who cares of me and my little bird of
Those female vocalists sound great.
Вертайся додому, рідна стежка. Спів перелітних пташок народить весну. I call you fly, but I'm begging you, just guess of me and my little bird.
Can I also mention that I began reviewing Eurovision when Maneskin won? Let me see. Let me go back in my head. I think the one representing Ukraine when Maneskin won was Go Eh? Those guys, right? I can't speak Ukrainian. I wish I could. But you know the ones that I'm saying. Go Eh. Shum, I think. And then after that was Kalush. My point is, this seems odd. I don't know. I'm a rockhead, so I like rock, but I don't know. I think maybe this is the first time I'm seeing Ukraine do rock. I remember even that time they did Heart of Steel, right? Heart of Steel. I can't remember the name of those guys, but yeah, I think this is the first time I'm seeing rock represent Ukraine. I personally like it. I don't know if it's going to click with other people. I can see the dislike ratio here is quite big. It's these 3,000 dislikes to 14,000 likes. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the staging, and maybe because I don't know. I don't think I've ever seen Ukraine do rock.
Like a bird, where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who flies. But I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares.
I've seen the music video for this song. I've seen the music video. I've reacted to the music video, but I've never seen this song performed live. But yeah, I love that break. I love it so much.
My heart with someone who flies. But I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares. Of me, my little bird.
Oh yeah, those Heart of Steel guys are called Tvorchi. Tvorchi something. Tvorchi, Kalush, Goe, the girls from last year. I can't remember them right now. Aliona. Yeah, Aliona and who? I can't remember them. But I'm trying, after I'm digging everything in real time as you're watching. But yeah, those acts are very different from this one because this is a rock band. I as a rock guy, I like this, but I don't know if it fits Ukraine's, Ukraine's typical offerings for Eurovision.
Of me, my little bird. Of
Those female vocalists in the music video, you could not see any female vocalists, so hearing them here live is absolutely great. All right, I like it. I personally like it. Apart from the staging, which looks weird, I like this song. Yeah, let me just see how right or wrong my memory is. Ukraine Eurovision. Let's see. Yeah, Ukraine Eurovision 2021 was Goe with Shum. 22 was Kalush, right? 2023 was Heart of Steel. Yes. You see how good I'm so surprised how good my memory is. Yeah, Alion and Jerry here. Yeah. So I think this is the first time reviewing Eurovision. I've seen rock for Ukraine, but I like it. But I don't know if other people will appreciate it. Yeah, I do. If you enjoyed my reaction, make sure to smash like and subscribe. I give Ziferblat like an 8 out of 10. I like them. For more reactions, check out these ones in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.